Here's Lacey. Lacey with a strike! And over, and here's Bruno Fernandes!
Can't get there, and it's off the post.
Here is Sheshko. Oh, he's hit the crossbar!
Bruno Fernandes! Bruno Fernandes!
The action of Fernandes. Oh.
Mount into Bruno Fernandes, who tries to place it! Oh, tipped onto the crossbar! Bruno flips it in, and it's nodded towards goal. To clip it in off the crossbar, and then Dubravka did it cross the line. Sam Barron looks at his watch. Goal for Manchester United.
Side foot this time, comes back off the post. Takes on the shot and he's hit the post.